Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a stranger here, I don't post anymore. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We are going to be doing a hair video. My hair looks crazy, we're fixing it. I typically do these on my Instagram or my TikTok, but I wanted to do a little longer video today because I have a breakthrough on my hair. And I wanted to share for anybody who gives a fuck. By the way, warning, I am tweaking off of pre-workout right now because I just came back from the gym and I took a hell of a lot of pre-workout. It was leg day though, so you know, I used a good amount of it, but there's still a lot of it in my system. So if you can't tell, I'm tweaking right now. I'm wired. I am wired. But yeah, we have a breakthrough. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on TikTok, you guys don't know, but now you know, that I moved to Miami about a year and a half ago. It's been about a year and a half. And I love to straighten my hair. I have naturally curly hair, as you can see, but I love to straighten it from time to time, more often than not. And living here in Miami, the humidity is so high, it's always hot, that my blowouts do not last. And it's so frustrating because I put all this time into it, apply all this heat to my hair, and then it goes to nothing the moment I step outside. So since being here for the past year and a half, I've been trying like everything under the sun to get a blowout that will last. I've tried new products, new techniques. Nothing's really technically worked. It'll work for a few days or maybe a week, and then the next week the humidity goes even higher and then my hair just puffs again. But I have been trying something new for the past, I would say, 2 weeks now. No, more than that. I think it's been like a month. It's been a month now since I've been trying this new technique and it's been working. So I did also apply some chemicals to my hair and I think that's also helped. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing all the stuff I've been doing. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this video. And fuck, I'm tweaking, bro. I need food. Let's get into it. And just to get rid of the mystery, this is the before and this is the after. So this is what we're going to achieve today. All right, let's get into it. For reference, I washed my hair last night. We went to the pool, so I rinsed out, but it was hella late and I was tired. I was a little drunk and I wanted to go to sleep. So I didn't style my hair last night. I fell asleep with it wet. So this is the aftermath of that. So first things first, I'm going to brush out my hair. I'm gonna split it into full sections to make it easier to manage. This is gonna look super crazy in the beginning. Just bear with me, it's gonna look better, I promise. We got 4 sections. We're gonna tie this one with one of these. By the way, I love these. These are called Teletees. I'm gonna tag them somewhere, maybe you guys can find the link to them. But I love these. Look, I have like a million of them. They're just a lot better in my opinion than these. I have a million of these too, but I don't use them anymore. I use these. I just feel like they pull on your hair less. They're easier on the hair. There's a lot of different brands, but highly recommend you guys support this brand. It's called Humidity. So you're gonna take one of your sections and you're gonna just comb through it. Every time I do this, it reminds me of that sound. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's like, just brush your hair, just brush it. Okay, sis, now what? Now what? That one. Now that your hair is brushed out and there's no knots in it, this is one of my secret weapons. This is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Serum. Hold on, can you see it? This helps to tame your frizz and also it serves as a heat protectant. So you're gonna take very little, like that, because you don't want your hair too greasy. And you're gonna just put it through the hair. My second secret weapon is this. I got this off of the TikTok shop, and I know it got me, but they got some good products on there. This is the Wavy Talk hairbrush situation. It was like $30. This is a new one, by the way. The old one had like a little opening here, so a lot of people were saying their hair was getting stuck on there. So this one doesn't have that, so your hair will not get stuck. And then it also has a little LED screen so you can see the temperatures and stuff. And it has 2 buttons, one to turn on and then one to adjust the heat. Yeah, this is my secret weapon. You guys will see why in a second. This will give you the most beautiful blowout. The quarter of hair that I just split, I'm gonna split it again. So I'm gonna do 1/3 first. My hair's gonna look really crazy until we finish. So we have this, right? You're gonna take it and you're just gonna go through it like that. And by the way, I have it on 390. Usually 390 is pretty good for me, but you know, you can adjust and make it hotter or cooler according to how thin or thick your hair is and what your hair can take heat wise. So as you guys can see, it's already making a huge difference. And then at the ends, you can just curl it up or down depending on what you're trying to go for. All right, so I just finished this side. This is what the ends look like. Look. One thing that I also want to point out that I really like about this is that it's quiet. If you use the Revlon Volumizer hairbrush, you know that it's loud as hell. All right. It's the reveal moment. I did my makeup, as you can see. I even put on lashes for y'all, and I don't ever put on lashes because I don't like them. All right, this is what it's looking like. Let me show you guys the back. So that's my little technique on how I do my blowouts. My little secret weapon is the wavy talk, a little help from the John Frieda frizz ease. And then one more thing, and this is not something that I featured in this video, but I did do a treatment on my hair like 2 months ago. It's called a nanoplasty. It's basically a treatment that's supposed to limit frizz. Maybe it's something that you could look into. Pre-blowout, what I do, because I think products that you use to prep your hair are also very important. So for the past 3 months now, I've been using the Garnier Fructis hair filler line. So this thing is amazing. This is their bonding treatment. Why isn't it focusing? Put this on before you wash your hair. You wet it and you put it in there. I personally like to also go with clarifying shampoo. It's when I use this from Pacifica. I'm being lazy, so I don't want to go get it right now, but I use a clarifying shampoo before I apply this. They don't say to do that, but for me it just makes more sense to do that, because if I'm going in with the bonding treatment that's supposed to go in and repair my hair bonds, I want my hair to be completely clean and free of any product buildup. This is recommended to leave in for 5 minutes. That's how long I leave it on for. And then afterwards, I just go in with their shampoo and conditioner from the same line. Their conditioner is amazing. It's so moisturizing. I have very curly hair and it gets knotted very easily. And this, I put it on, leave it on for like 2-3 minutes. The knots come out like butter, like shh. And then after I get out the shower, I go in with the serum. It's a moisturizing serum. It helps to fill your hair with moisture and just helps to repair the bonds even longer. And this is a leave-in situation, so you leave this on and then you style your hair how you want. And then after I apply that, if I want to apply like a curl cream or some kind of cream for to my hair, I use this one from Redken. It smells amazing and my hair loves it. If you guys want me to do like a curly hair routine, I'll do that. But if you're looking for a curl cream that smells good, it feels good on your hair, this is one I definitely recommend you guys to consider. And that's it. That's literally all that's in my hair. The John Frieda, it doubles as a heat protectant and I love that. And that's how I do my blowout now, and this will last me a whole week if I, you know, at night pin my hair back or like put it in a doobie or just tie it up properly. I can go outside in the humidity and be fine. I've gone out at night when the humidity like gets really high and my hair's still good. Like maybe some, depending on the night, I might get a little extra frizz, but it's not anything like it used to be. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys want me to make more videos about. If you guys want me to make more videos on hair, makeup, bring it over to YouTube. I've been real focused on Instagram and TikTok, but now I'm kind of like, you know what, maybe I should be a YouTube girly, because I love to talk and I feel like YouTube allows me to really talk versus Instagram or TikTok. Everybody's so overstimulated that we don't really sit down and like chit chat, you know. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, or thank you girls. I hope the girls are watching. I know a lot of guys follow me, but I'm hoping that we can build a community of girls. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Like this video, share it, leave me a comment so that way the algorithm, you know, pushes my shit. I guess I'll see you guys on the next video, whatever that ends up being. Anyways, bye. Bye. Oh.